During cell division, the material of the nucleus became organized into visible threads, which were named chromosomes, meaning colored bodies. Chromosomes were discovered by C. von Nageli in 1842. The term chromosome, which W. Waldeyer coined in 1888, means colored body. The nucleoprotein material of the chromosomes is called chromatin. The diffuse chromatin is euchromatin, and when condensed, is called heterochromatin. Although all eukaryotes have chromosomes, in the interphase, they are spread out or diffused throughout the nucleus and are usually not identifiable. Each chromosome, with very few exceptions, has a distinct attachment point for microtubules that make up the mitotic and meiotic spindle apparatuses. The attachment point occurs at a constriction in the chromosome, the kinetochore, which has specific DNA sequences. The kinetochore is the proteinaceous structure on the surface of the centromere to which microtubules of the spindle attach. The chromosomes can be classified, whether the centromere is in the middle metacentric, at the end telocentric, very near the end acrocentric. Most higher eukaryotic cells are diploid, that is, all their chromosomes occur in pairs. One member of each pair came from each parent. Haploid cells have only one copy of each chromosome. In the diploid state, members of the same chromosome pair to form homologous chromosomes pair. Sutton found that the members of each pair of chromosomes were associated with one another, forming a complex called a bivalent. Genes on the same chromosome should act as if they are linked to one another. That is, they should be part of the same linkage group. Polytene chromosomes are rich in visual detail, displaying about 5,000 bands when stained and examined microscopically. The banding pattern is essentially constant from one individual to the next. The total chromosomal complement of a cell, the karyotype, can be photographed during members in pairs to make a picture, called a karyotype or ideogram. All of the homologous pairs are made up of identical partners, and are thus referred to as homomorphic chromosome pairs. From the ideogram, it is possible to see whether the chromosomes have any abnormalities and to identify the sex of the organism. A potential exception is the sex chromosomes, which is unequal size and are therefore called a heteromorphic chromosome pair. The term mitosis comes from the Greek word thread, referring to a chromosome. The term meiosis comes from the Greek meaning to lessen. The term eukaryotes, two processes partition the genetic material into offspring or daughter cells, are mitosis and meiosis. The cellular process is gamete formation in animals and spore formation in higher plants, and the nuclear process is meiosis. Chromosomes separate in both processes of nuclear division. The division of the cytoplasm of the cell, called cytokinesis. The continuity of life depends on cells growing, replicating their genetic material, and then dividing, a process called the cell cycle. Although cells usually divide when they have doubled in volume, the control of this process is very complex and precise. I'm tracking cells. We look at different stages, like G1, S, G2, and M phases. I want to see if the cytoplasm of one cell affects the other's behavior.